we will do? We will do the rhyme on topic गिलहरी. आज हम गिलहरी पे राइम करेंगे. ओके, सबको आती है ना? Everybody knows? Yes. So let's start. You have to sing along with the ma'am with the actions. Okay? Shall we start? Okay. यूं तो गिलहरी छोटी सी, पूंछ उसकी मोटी सी, एक जगह ना टिकती वो, मुझसे ना कुछ भी कहती वो. यस, अगेन. यूं तो गिलहरी छोटी सी, पूंछ उसकी कुछ मोटी सी, एक जगह ना टिकती वो, मुझसे ना कुछ भी कहती वो. Yes, ma'am is looking at everybody. Do it. Sing along with the ma'am with the actions. Everyone has to do. Yes, last time. यूं तो गिलहरी छोटी सी, पूंछ उसकी कुछ मोटी सी, एक जगह ना टिकती वो, मुझसे ना कुछ भी कहती वो. Very good. Clap for yourself. Yes, very good.
Okay. Okay, ma'am. Thank you. All right. So kids, now we'll move further. Okay, now we'll do our mathematics work. So come on, get your max copy. So in max, today we are going to write between numbers. We are going to revise between numbers. So what do you mean by between? What do you mean by between? Anyone knows? Between means बीच में. The meaning of between is बीच में. Okay, so you have to write okay, what comes in between the given numbers. Okay, so everyone get your copy, and as I used to say you every day, okay, you have to write down first the date of that particular day on which you are writing. है ना? So we are writing today, so we have to write down today's date in the left corner of the page. So come on, write it. Don't ask your mama to write it. You write it no yourself. Today also you have to write. Come on, write down today's date. So what we are going to write? Between. What comes in between? Between matlab beech mein. The meaning of between is beech mein. So you have to say what comes between the given number. Okay, so look here. For example, four and 6 is written, है ना? So आपको बताना है कि what comes in between 4 and 6. So for that we have to say the counting. 1, 2, 3, 4, and after 4, 5. So what comes in between 4 and 6? Number 5. 4 and 6 के बीच में क्या आया? 5. Okay. This is the meaning of between. Between means beech mein. You have to write what comes in between. All right. Chalo, let's start now. So, come on. The first number is, now you have to write also. 1. So we have to say, okay, what comes in between 1 and 3. So everyone say the counting. So Padmini, yes, Padmini, unmute. Unmute and say, what comes in between 1 and 3? Unmute, ma'am, unmute yourself. 2, yes. What comes in between 1 and 3? Number 2. Very good. Yes, nice. Write down. Come on. Those who have set copies with them, they had this page already in their copy. And those who do not have, you can write it from here. You copy from the screen. Write down the date, what comes in between, and that you copy from here. Written? Now, next. Seven and 9. 7 and 9. What comes in between 7 and 9? Come on, Ruhan. Unmute and say. आपको बताना है कि which number comes in between 7 and 9? Say. Ruhan, you are not audible, beta. No, you are not audible. आपकी आवाज नहीं आ रही है. Pihu, you unmute and say. Pihu. Unmute and say. Yes. What comes in between 7 and 9? What? Say loudly. 8, yes. Number 8. So what comes in between 7 and 9? Number 8.
Eight. A and P. A इधर बना N, इधर बना N.
Come on, everyone, write down. What comes in between 7 and 9? 8. Ridan's mother, ma'am, if you don't have this page, so you copy from here. Not a big issue, okay? You copy from here. You just write down the heading, what comes in between, and then copy from here. What comes in between 7 and 9? Number 8. 8 comes in between 7 and 9. Come on, do it. Then you all let me know, okay, ma'am, done. Then we'll move further. Vidhan, done, beta? Done up to here? Okay. And Aisha, you wait, beta. Wait for others. Now the next one is four and six. 4 and 6. So you have to write down the number which comes in between 4 and 6. And Aisha, you are sitting in the class. Kindly sit properly. Ayush, you too. Sit properly in the class. Now, Lokendra, you unmute and say, what comes in between 4 and 6?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, beta. Tell me what comes in between 4 and 6. आपको counting बोलनी है. Yes, very good. 5. We can say the counting as well. 1, 2, 3,
1, 2, 3,
4,
Mummy,
and 5. So what comes in between 4 and 6? Number 5.
5.
Yes. Five comes in between number 4 and 6. Five comes in between number 4 and 6. You can say the counting as well. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now 4 के बाद 5. Pihu, switch on the camera. Done? Written, everyone? What comes in between 4 and 6? 5. 5 comes in between number 4 and number 6. Okay. Anyone have any doubt related to anything? If you have any doubt, kindly ask me. Chalo, now next. Eight and 10. So what comes in between number 8 and 10? Puneet, you unmute and say, what comes in between 8 and 10?
बताओ क्या आएगा 8 के बाद?
Bolo, say the counting. Puneet, बोलो बेटा. Hmm.
6 हाँ
7.
7 हाँ
Yes. अब
8
8 के बाद
क्या आया? मैम को बोलो.
yes. So what comes in between 8 and 10? Number 9. Number 9 comes in between number 8 and 10. Puneet, mute yourself. Write down. Number 9 comes in between 8 and 1010. Okay, now next. Two and 4. Now we have to write which number comes in between 2 and 4. Drishya, you unmute and say.
जोर से.
3. Yes, very good. So which number comes in between 2 and 4? Number 3. Number 3. What comes in between number 2 and 3? 2 and 4? Number 3. 2 और 4 के बीच में कौन सा नंबर आता है? Number 3. Number 3 comes in between number 2 and 4. Come on. Now, the next one. 5 and 7. So we have to write which number comes in between number 5 and number 7. Namasvi, now you say. Namasvi. Yes. Say Namasvi.
मैम को बताओ क्या आएगा.
Which number comes in between 5 and 7?
काउंट करके देखो.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6,
बस.
7.
तो क्या
So 5 के बाद क्या आया?
5 के बाद काउंट किया था ना अभी.
1, 2,
क्या आया था?
3, 4, 5 and
6.
6.
yes. So which number comes in between 5 and 7? Number 6. Number 6 comes in between 5 and 7.
ध्यान दो निकोल.
Sorry.
कोई बात नहीं.
Okay. Now completed. Now show your copies. Okay, again I'm repeating. Get your numeracy workbook, page number 9. I had already written the name and the page number in the chat box. Okay, so in this we are going to learn more and less. The meaning of more is zyada and less means come. Now look. In this hand, I have more books. Look, more. And this is less. मतलब ये कम है. More means ज़्यादा and the meaning of less is कम. ठीक है? आप देख रहे हो? कौन से हाथ में ज़्यादा है मैम की? This one. So this is more and this is less. ये कम है. This is less. Okay? More means ज़्यादा and the meaning of less is कम. Now look at this page. Look. There are two sets of picture given, okay? So you have to take the set which has more numbers. The first one is plain. So let's count and find out which one has more. किसमें ज़्यादा है? Start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 is there in this set. And in this set, 1 and 2, there are only 2. So which one is more? This one. So we have to take it. We have to take the more number of set. You have to take the picture which has more number of objects. Again, I am repeating, the meaning of more is zyada and less is kam. Now the next one, footballs are given. So let's count this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There are 5 balls in this batch, and in this batch, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There are 8 balls in this set. So which one is more? This one. So we have to tick this. Now, the next one is some bicycles given here, na? So let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So in this set, 6 bicycles are here. Hai na? Now count this one. 1, 2, 3, 4. So here there are 4 bicycles and here there are 6. So which one is more? Yes, 6 bicycle set. So we have to tick here. This one is more. Done? Now the next one. Some cars are given both the sets. So first of all, count the cars in the first one. How many cars are there? 1, 2, 3, and 4. There are 4 cars in this set. And in this set, how many cars? 1 and 2. So there are 4 cars and there are 2. So which one is more? कौन सी ज़्यादा है? Yes, this one. So we have to take the more number of cars. More. Okay, kids? So kids, the meeting is about to get over. All right, so we'll end our class. Yes, very good, everyone. All of you have completed good. Good, everyone. Pihu, Anaisha, Ishita, Yatendra. Good.